sitting over there on the shelf, way over yonder. Got a new Edlebrock carburetor. I got new fuel lines. We got fuel filters. There's a new fuel pump on this thing. It's pretty much brand new in the fuel system, except for the fuel tank. So, try to rip that out. Pro tip, pressure wash up under here before you do this. Working on getting the bed off because I have a new tank I'm gonna put on it. There's the old tank, but it's dirty and I just need to get everything off of it. I'm just gonna start from scratch. Boy, this is longer than I thought. That's what 20 years of up under a toolbox will source you out there. I just want y'all to see how much dust and dirt and mud, old mud, caked up under this joint. Yep, those the rigs we gotta get off right there. Somehow. But best part is, grab the impact in there, and you cannot. Wonderful. I love it. I mean, it's up in the frame rail. We ain't in there. Manual mode it is.
We need to get the grinder and cut that bolt. See if we can't get that thing off, because you're gonna want a receiver hitch on this thing.
Yes, I know. Definitely. I thought about looking and seeing how much one of them cost. They're like 120 bucks.
Yeah, but has the frame not been modified?
Probably.
It may have been. We need to look at all that before we go too gung-ho.
Yeah. I mean, look at that, dude. So I've been struggling with this thing. Can't figure out why it won't go in. These straps, there's a front and a back. You put the wrong strap on the wrong one. No habla inglés, señor. In other words, she don't work. amazing. Once you do it the right way, you actually get some legitimate results here. I didn't film this part, but oh man, come on. Ignition control module. All the goo inside leaked out. It's everywhere. Probably would still work. I went ahead and ordered a new one. Alright. Now for the good part. Alright, so we got a -8 because this over here is a -8. So, first piece of the puzzle here, we're going to start with fuel tank and go forward. So we're running -8 to 6 adapter and then hose bar. It's fine though. Boom, look at that. I know what y'all are probably thinking, boy, this is some nice fuel system kit for a busted old truck. And you'd be right. Alright, got the new sending unit in. New lines nicely routed. Going on to hose clamp. There it is. First 5 galleons in the new rig. Here, get that guy hooked up, something like that, to the carb. Let's get the carb on. Here's our, I'm not gonna say final product, but this is kind of where we ended up here. Got the plugs back in it, carb's on, throttle is hooked up, choke's hooked up. Gonna see this new ignition control module there. Gonna see if she'll spin over and fire off. I'm highly doubting it because this battery's junk. Dude, yes. That's so much better than that Carter. So much better.
That Carter wasn't hard idle.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm wiping like
It was wore out.
Yeah, and it was an 850 on a 5-liter. Yes. Success.